Enter the realm of safety with innovative gadgets that serve as your guardian angels, blending technology and protection seamlessly to shield you from harm's way. The Stinger is a small thing you put on your keys that can be useful if someone mean comes near you. It has a loud noise, a tool to break glass, and a cutter. The noise it makes can be heard from far away, up to 183 meters. The way it looks is special, and it got a patent. You need 3 LR44 batteries for it, and it costs $25 to buy. The people who made this knuckle duster want you to know about some history from the military. The way this tool looks is like the handle of a knife from World War I called a trench knife. These brass knuckles have a history, and they also have a useful thing, a bottle opener. They're small, about 8 by 7 centimeters, and they only cost $18. The SEEON 180 degrees backpack is like having your back protected. Maybe you thought it had armor, but it's even better. This backpack has a camera with smart AI that watches what's happening behind you. If it sees something strange, it sends a message to your phone. Also, it has a big 20,000 mAh battery and a solar panel to charge it. You can order the SEEON 180 degree before it's available for $443. Before we dive into the exciting world of the awesome gadgets that can protect you, don't forget to hit that like button, share this content with your friends, and subscribe to stay tuned for more incredible insights and adventures. Enhance your personal safety. Many sellers offer telescopic batons. They're usually quite affordable. For instance, on a Chinese website, you can get a set of 3 batons for just $12. Moreover, you can conveniently carry these batons in these universal holsters. Customers who purchase these holsters will be pleased with their 360-degree rotation capability. They're also versatile, as the standard model can accommodate batons up to 66 centimeters in length. Each holster is priced at approximately $12. Invi's bracelet has become famous in the fashion accessory world. It looks just like any other bracelet, but it hides a surprising secret inside. There's a small capsule in the bracelet filled with a very bad smelling thing. If someone bothers you, you can press a button and open the capsule. The bad smell will make the person go away. This bracelet costs $74, which might seem expensive because you can only use it one time. Imagine this scenario. You're confronted by a robber, and the only thing you have is a pen in your pocket. What would you usually do? Write your will? Not with the Pavashot Penshot. This pen doesn't just write. It fires a compound similar to pepper spray. You can defend yourself effectively from a mugger at a distance of up to 9 meters. Plus, if things get physical, the pen's serrated edge can be quite useful. The Pavashot Penshot is available for purchase at $149. When someone demands money in a threatening situation, they may expect the victim to reach for their wallet. However, this wallet is uniquely designed for safety. It's made from aerospace-grade aluminum, ensuring exceptional strength. Its robust build is so reliable that not even a 9mm caliber weapon can penetrate it. This wallet isn't just for holding up to 7 cards and cash. It can also secure your keys. Its strength is quite evident. It was able to damage a watermelon, showcasing its remarkable durability. The people who made the Tactikey want to remind everyone that safety is really important. They think that having this accessory will help you remember to always be careful. The Tactikey changes a normal key into something for self-defense. It's not like brass knuckles or big things that get noticed. It's super light, weighing less than a gram. Even though it looks simple, it's really good at what it does. The people who made it are sure about its quality, and they sell the Tactikey for $13. The Hyperwhistle rightfully earns the title of the world's loudest whistle by producing over 142 decibels of sound. This whistle is so powerful that it's used on American aircraft carriers and was commissioned by the US Navy. It took more than 2.5 years to develop, resulting in a whistle that remains effective even when underwater. You can purchase it for a reasonable price of $15. The Stun Gun 519 is advertised as professional self-defense equipment. This particular model comes with a built-in flashlight that can potentially blind an attacker. Its design resembling a knuckle duster ensures a secure grip. Moreover, it's quite compact, measuring 7.6 by 6 by 9 centimeters. The stun gun has enough power to immobilize an attacker for several minutes. It's available for purchase at a price of $18. The Strobe Defender claims to have the world's top-notch strobe light and siren, along with a power bank. The creators boast that this gadget shines brightly with 990,000 lumens and emits a loud 140 decibel sound to alert people nearby. The power bank has a modest capacity of 4,000 mAh, but conveniently attaches to the back of your smartphone. The price of the Strobe Defender is $39. Sabre has brought a new idea to pepper spray. After you use it, it automatically sends a message to your chosen contacts with where you are. To make this work, you connect the spray to your smartphone using Bluetooth. You can control who gets these messages using the official app. This app also has a panic button. Sabre also gives an option for a subscription service. With this, the data goes to a 24-hour call center worker who can tell the police if needed. This pepper spray costs $30, works up to 3 meters away, and can be used up to 25 times. Secure what's most important to you. Strengthen your home's defense with Doorbell. Surprisingly, many doors in modern homes are vulnerable. In under 4 seconds, an adult can force them open. The Doorbell system removes this vulnerability, providing homeowners with extra time to call the police. It works for doors that open inward and is simple to install. You can buy it for $40. Have you watched Peaky Blinders? In the show, characters hide blades in their flat caps. The creators of the gotcha cap did something like that, but in a regular baseball cap. Instead of a blade, this cap has a unique self-defense tool hidden in the brim. It doesn't have sharp edges, but it's good for both hitting and blocking. You can purchase the gotcha cap for $45. There are many things for self-defense, such as pepper sprays, brass knuckles, pens, and more. But sometimes, people forget to take them when they leave home. That's why Knyphe had a new idea. Hiding a knife in a smartphone case. The knife has a blade that's 5.4 centimeters long, made for an easy grip, even in the dark. However, the Kickstarter campaign didn't work out, maybe because of the high price. The creators were asking $89 for a set that included the knife and a sheath.